Welcome to the motherland of Renaissance, Florence. Start your day with comprehensive walking tour around Florence highlights. Today's program includes exploration of the Piazza del Duomo with a visit to the baptistery. Your ticket will allow you to visit the other magnificent monuments in your free time within 72 hours. The cathedral itself, the famous dome, the bell tower, and the cathedral museum with works by Michelangelo and Donatello. As you proceed to the main square of the city, Piazza della Signoria, you pass through the heart of the historical center with its landmark sites like Piazza della Repubblica and the Strozzi Palace. Stroll down Via Tornabuoni, one of the most beautiful streets of the city, and cross the Ponte Vecchio bridge over the Arno River to enter the authentic Oltrarno district. During the tour, we also visit the Galleria dell'Accademia to see the Michelangelo's famous colossal statue of David. At your leisure time, consider optional tours, half-day guided tour to Uffizi Gallery or a full-day trip to Pisa and Lucca by trains, with a great opportunity to enjoy Tuscany's scenic landscapes on the way. Once a central hub of medieval European trade and finance, and one of the wealthiest cities of its time. The city is often even referred to as the Athens of the Middle Ages and has managed to preserve ancient architecture and 13th century palaces with most incredible pieces of art. Visit Florence with Firebird tours.